Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today we are diving into a Nativity special dish that holds a special place in our Manglorean tradition, Sango Gosale. This dish features long beans and rich gourd cooked with a unique Manglorean technique, Tel Piyav, which means oil and onion. This method has been passed down through generations and a wonderful way to bring out natural flavors of vegetables. Remove the fibers from the long beans and cut them into pieces. Similarly, take out the fibers from the rich gourd and cut them into small pieces. I have also kept ready the ingredients for seasoning this dish: the onions, ginger, garlic and green chillies. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Watch this video till the end for the authentic method of preparing Tel Piyav. To give a traditional touch, I am cooking this dish in an earthen pot. I just added the long beans and the rich gourd that I had previously chopped. Now I added 2 onions, 1 inch ginger, 8 cloves garlic, 2 green chillies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. I am adding 3 pieces of dried monkey jack. In Konkani we call this vontisola. In Kannada, it's called Vante Huli. Now I will just sprinkle half cup of coconut. Now the important step to follow: pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil over the chopped vegetables and the ingredients that we just added and give a good mix. If the vegetables are fresh, you don't have to add any water. Just cover the lid and cook the veggies. Covering the lid while cooking veggies helps to enhance and retain the taste. While the veggies are getting cooked, they release moisture in the form of steam, which the lid traps and undergoes condensation, retaining the taste of the veggies. In my next video, I will share another Nativity special Tel Piyav recipe using hawk plums. If you feel the dish is dry, you can add half cup of water. Keep stirring so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. Please do write to me in comments about the different combinations of veggies you prepare during the Nativity. I would be glad to know about it. You can see a change in the color of the vegetable. It has turned light green, which means the vegetables are cooked. Do not overcook the vegetable. It will not taste good. Thank you friends for watching this video. I wish you happy cooking.